Let's move on then. 2022, in fact, saw some of the most high-profile mergers and acquisitions dominating the deal space. The year gone by was, in fact, marked by some of the much-awaited bailouts and landmark deal closures. It was also the year M&A activity in India defied expectations. Our colleague Nisha Podar gets a deep dive on all the hot deals of this year.
The year 2022, as it comes to an end, has clocked in deals worth $118 billion so far, majority of which came in from the mergers and acquisition space, while private equity also participated with $33 billion. Now, in terms of the sector breakup, well, top 5 in M&A came in from first the banks and financial services topping the chart, followed by other sectors like manufacturing, IT, renewable energy, as well as logistics. Now, the private equity investments were highest in the e-commerce space in the year, followed by other sectors like media. We saw a lot of interest, infrastructure, energy, as well as the financial services. Let's also take you through the top 5 deals of the year. HDFC and HDFC Bank's mega merger clearly is the largest, boosting the overall deal value for the year. And the second one is Holcim Cement Assets, Ambuja as well as ACC, and that was the most hotly contested battle amongst various conglomerates, won finally by the Adani Group. Now, Biocon's acquisition of Viatris's biosimilars business is also path-breaking in the context of an overseas acquisition done by an Indian company. Fourth on our list is the global steel giant ArcelorMittal's acquisition of Essar Group's ports as well as power assets, critical to its steel assets, which, remember, marks the full and final completion of the Essar Steel's buyout via the IBC process, which, remember, has been a very long-drawn deal. So that comes to an end now. And last is the Yes Bank equity deal by private equity firms Carlyle as well as Advent, which, remember, is an important milestone in Yes Bank's bailout plan. Now for the year ahead. Most deal makers are cautiously optimistic about the deal activity, and consolidation could be a big theme play out as economic pressures weigh on the weaker companies. Now, the startup funding winter is already here and expected to intensify further. With the valuations volatile, well, deal closure could be a challenge, while private equity braces up for some value buying in the next year.
Deal Street indeed, Nisha. Thanks a lot for that. Meanwhile, before we take that short break, just watch for the markets. There's been a mild recovery. We've gained past that 18,100 mark once again. But in light of the fall that we've seen, it's just a mild recovery. Where do we go from here? We have Pritesh Mehta of Yes Securities joining in with some trading strategies and an index call on the other side.